Hey everyone, let's unbox my first ever Disney Pins Stitch Mystery Blind Box. So there's a total of 6. This is what they all look like. And all 6 look so cute. I'm hoping to get all 6. I only got one and I got this at Hobby Lobby. Okay. Hope it's a good one. I really want the heart one. Or just a regular Stitch. Those are the top 3. I want this one, and then that one. Those are my top 3 I want. Let's see. There's a little, oh, it's Stitch wearing sunglasses. So cute. And then this is the back. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.